Another groundbreaking generative artificial intelligence tool from the company behind Chat, unveiled Thursday, is expected to accelerate the proliferation of deepfake videos and have implications for virtually every industry. SORA, an AI application that takes written prompts and turns them into original videos, is already so powerful that one AI expert says it has him terrified. Generative AI tools are evolving so rapidly, and we have social networks, which leads to an Achilles heel in our democracy. And it couldn't have happened at a worse time. Oren Etzioni, founder of trumedia.org, told CBS Money Watch. The nonprofit organization dedicated to fighting AI-based disinformation in political campaigns focuses on identifying manipulated media, including so-called deepfake videos. Trying to sort this out, we're coming up against one of the most consequential elections in history, he added, referring to the 2024 presidential election. SORA maker OpenAI shared a teaser of its text-to-video model on X, explaining that it can instantaneously create sophisticated 60-second long videos featuring highly detailed scenes, complex camera motion, and multiple characters with vibrant emotions. The tool is not yet publicly available. For the time being, OpenAI has restricted its use to red teamers and some visual artists, designers, and filmmakers to test the product and deliver feedback to the company before it's released more widely. Safety experts will evaluate the tool to understand how it could potentially create misinformation and hateful content, OpenAI said. Advances in technology have seemingly outpaced checks and balances on these kinds of tools, according